So far, all we've talked about are quarter notes, or shorter notes. Now let's talk about using some longer notes and longer bows. Put the bow on the D string, a little bit below the fingerboard, and a little farther away from the bridge. Have it close to the frog. Let's review our fundamentals. Try and keep the stick over the hair, relax the arm weight into the string, and keep the bow tip up so it's not coming down at an angle. Play some long bows on the D string. Good. Now let's try that going up the strings and down the strings. We'll do a long down bow and a long up bow on all 4 strings. I'll count it off and let's do half notes. So 2 beats per bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's go back down the strings. Make sure to pay attention to the angle that your elbow has as you're crossing strings. Starting on the G string, I'll count you in 2 half notes per string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's do some patterns now. Why don't we do 2 half notes and 4 quarter notes on each string, starting on the E string and moving to the G string. I'll count you in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's try another pattern. 2 quarter notes and 1 half note on each string. We'll start on the G string and move to the E string. Notice that you're going to start the G string with a down bow, and then the D string with an up bow. Make sure that after you get to the tip of the bow on the G string, you stay there to play your 2 quarter notes on the D string. So you have enough bow to play your half note on the D string. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's do some bigger string crossings. We're going to play the E string, and then the G string, and then the A string, and then the D string, using that same pattern that we just used. 2 quarter notes, 1 half note. Make sure that you're paying attention to relaxing the arm weight into the string, and making sure that the elbow comes along when you change strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That's how we play longer notes on the bass.